In this video, I am going to show you how you can record your computer screen with audio. So let's see how we can do. At first, we need to open the screenshot application. In Mac, we can easily open a screenshot application by clicking this spotlight search, or you can hold command key and spacebar search all together. Then the spotlight search will be appeared. Here you can type screenshot, and very shortly you will see the screenshot application is there. If we start typing SC, it will show generally. Then click here to open this screenshot application. Now here there are a couple of menu options are there. It will not start recording till we press this record button. And here I'm going to screenshot, capture whole screen. So I have to click here, record entire screen. And if you click here, it will only choose the area where you want to record. But I'm going to record the whole screen, so I'm going to choose this option. And then after that, we need to also enable the audio. If we click option, it will show us everything. So here there is a MacBook Air microphone. So this is the microphone it will use. If you press none, then the microphone will not be used for recording. And there are a couple of options are there, but I'm not going to show you everything. The main important thing is like the screen, whole screen or partial screen, and then the microphone will be selected or not. And one other thing, you can also tell it where it will be saved. By default it will save on the desktop, but if you want to save other location, you can also choose from here, or even you can customize the location where it will be saved. But I'm fine with desktop, so I'm going to choose it, and then very shortly it will be like this setup. Now we need to press this record button to start recording, and now it will start recording, including the mic, and everything will be recorded till we close it. So if when the recording is on, basically when it is capturing the entire screen and microphone audio, then you will see this type of small icon. So basically this means this screen is recorded, and if we move our cursor over there, it will not show that much information, but if we click here, it will be stopped, and you will see it is showing a preview of that, and very shortly it will be saved on desktop. So we can just click here, we can check it whether the video is okay or not, and by clicking here and it is okay, then we can keep it. Otherwise we can press this delete button to delete this thing. To keep this video, we just need to press the done button, and it will be saved, and here it is saved. And if we try to play it, we'll see that it is playing. So this is the video basically I recorded right now, and that's it. In this way we can easily record with audio in Mac by using this screen recorder, which is called screenshot application.